what's going on, everybody? So I'm trying to do something different to my truck. I'm trying to renovate the stuff that I do. So I'm going to show you what I'm trying to do with my truck right now. Got a mess inside here, but so here on my BM shifter, I have these switches right here on the side for my lockup and overdrive right here, but I don't know. There was one that we had that was right here, but then I had all these cables dangling right here, and I didn't like that either. So I saw it off of somebody else on Instagram, and they had it right here. So that way, you just click down, lockup, overdrive, or overdrive and lockup, whatever you want to do. So that's what I want to do. And with this shifter, it has these holes right here, but I have to kind of modify it. I need to kind of cut this piece off right here, because I try to put the switch in there right here, it fits perfect. But when I put the second switch right here, it won't work. These will work fine, but they're tiny. I don't want that. So what you have to do, if you have this shifter, I'll put under the description below what kind of shifter this is. I think it's a Stealth Magnum Pro, something like that. Far From Stock has it, so you guys can go to their website and you can get it right there. So I couldn't take these two screws out, neither from this other side, and I had to purchase something to freaking take these things out. So I got them out, and I just had to measure, the spacing in between, and I already got the spacing in between, except I need to get another drill bit, so that way I can make the hole just a slight bit more bigger. So yeah, so now I'm gonna go to Home Depot and get some screws for this, because they're probably already roasted and everything inside there. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna go ahead and do, and it should be like that right there. So let's head on over to Home Depot. Alright guys, so we got everything back already. I went to the store and I purchased a new drill bit. It was a 1/2 inch that I had to use, but I have everything on there already, and the only thing I have to do is cut that piece off, so this way this can slide in there, and all I have to do is just put the connectors on there and we should be good to go. Alright, so I had to make a little hole back here. As you can see, that's where it's going to enter, and that way it's going to go below this little piece right here, and then it's going to go up to here, and it's going to connect to the switches where I have right here. So just so you guys know, if you ever want to do the same thing that I'm doing, you have to make a hole right here. I think that's a 3/8 drill bit right there, but I started off small and I went in big. So yeah, you want to give yourself just a little bit of slack, so that way whenever you're shifting, but not too much slack, just a little bit. So all right, let's go ahead and just connect these now. All right guys, so here it is all buttoned up. Like I said, I gave myself some slack right there, and let's go ahead and take this on for a ride. Hard driving like this. But there you go guys, that's the outcome of this. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys up for the next video.